On today's body cam, we're checking out police knew they were hiding something from them.
Police pull a car over for a broken license plate light, but things quickly spiral out of control when the driver hands over a fake ID.
Hello, I'm Officer Lopez with QSPD. The reason I stopped your vehicle, you have a tag light out.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, and I'm very sorry.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Oh my goodness. All of this stuff is like kind of shoved in here in the back. I can give you all of my information or whatever, and I can try and look for it.
Do you have at least your registration or something with your name on?
Yeah, absolutely. Is it just a tag light out? That's it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Is it possible to just give me a warning? I don't know.
No, I still have to run the driver, the registration, and I have to see insurance information.
Okay. Can you give me a second, maybe, perhaps?
Yes. Is there any weapon in the vehicle?
Come on, man. You think I would ever do anything?
7-3. Can I have another 43? Go ahead.
Why are you asking for another 43?
What's the problem?
I don't know. I'm just asking why you're asking for backup. Can I have an attorney or something? Is that what I need?
Well, what's going on? I need your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I understand.
And I need identification for the passengers as well. Okay?
Okay. Just to give me a ticket for the tag light.
I'm not saying I'm giving you a ticket.
Oh, okay. Do you mind like not shoving the light in my face?
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I don't know, you just seem a little aggressive. So
I'm not being aggressive. You are questioning everything I'm asking you.
No, I'm just making sure that there was no violation.
Okay.
I just got this car not too long ago. The insurance, here you go. What else do you need?
Your driver's license.
And that's it?
Registration and proof of insurance. What you gave me was the title.
Okay. I wasn't expecting this to happen.
Okay, it happens. It's fine.
Here's this. I don't know if this is one of the registrations.
Okay, at this point, step out because I don't know why you have in that bag and I don't like this, okay? For my safety and your safety, get your hands out of the bag, okay? Step out. Step out.
Okay.
Please come this way. Please stay right here.
What tag light is out?
Your tag light. You don't see it?
I really don't. I'm sorry. I just bought this car not too long ago. I'm sorry.
Okay, the tag light is out. You are required to have your registration illuminated, and it has to be visible at least 50 feet away on the road.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Do you have any questions?
No, not whatsoever, no.
So I have your license.
And I just
the title,
bought this car, and I apologize.
And your insurance information.
Yes, and I am sorry.
What is your name again? What is your name?
You have my information right
What is your name? What is it? Is that your first name?
It's right here.
I'm asking you, your name. You don't know your name?
Of course I do.
Listen, whatever you have going on, can you have them step out, please?
Yeah, something not right. Something is not right, man. She's sketchy. And then even if you are hiding something, right? Even if you are hiding something, going about it in this manner, like keep questioning the officer and keep like everything that he's doing and stuff like that, like really being like sketchy. Because a lot of traffic stops, if you just got everything already ready or whatever, even if you might be a little intoxicated or you might be a little whatever, right? But if you just play it smooth, it's good. As soon as they come up, license, registration, proof of insurance, there you go. You know, as they're talking or whatever, they're gonna ask you, you know, oh, where you're going, this and that. And I'm not saying that this is a DUI type of situation, but I'm just saying this to ways that you wouldn't necessarily get jammed up. You know, the cops wouldn't really be pressing the issue like that. You know, as soon as they pull up, boom, they're gonna come to the window, license, registration, proof of insurance. You don't even gotta say nothing, just hand it. Boop. They're gonna try to get questions out of you or whatever. Nothing. You know what I mean? Nothing. Oh, where you going? All right, where you coming from? You don't gotta answer none of that stuff. And that's it. You know what I mean? They're gonna go back, run the information. If your stuff is clean, send you on your way. It's not the, oh, I smell the odor of alcohol. No. Why? Because the reason that they smell the odor of alcohol is, yes, it could be coming through your pores if you really drinking a lot and stuff like that. But it's when you start talking, when you blah, 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 all that breath, all that Henny breath, that Patron, that Casamigos, that all that, you know, Tito's, yeah, Heineken, Budweiser, yeah, when all that humming breath just start hitting the officer in the face, bing, 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 bing. Oh yeah, that's where that comes from, man. But anyway, let's continue, man, because I doubt this is a DUI, but I'm just saying.
Why are you lying to me?
Like I said, I can get an attorney if there's an issue with this.
I don't understand why you are asking for an attorney. Why are you giving me a false name?
I didn't give you a false name.
So why are you giving me somebody's ID right now? Why are you giving me somebody's ID? I asked for your driver's license, not this person's driver's license. I don't know who this person is.
Okay.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. I'm giving you all of my information. If I somehow grab the wrong thing, I can go get the other one. I told you.
Why you got other people ID though?
I just bought this vehicle a couple days ago.
So there's no misunderstanding. I want you to write down your first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth on this piece of paper.
Well, I don't want to write it here because this is my insurance.
You can write it on the back.
I can just give it to you.
On the back.
Okay, sure. No problem.
First name, last name, do you have a middle name?
I do not.
Okay. Is there any reason why your license will be suspended?
No.
Should be valid and clear.
Of course.
Okay.
However, you understand that I did request, right, an attorney because I know my rights. So
I requested an attorney for what?
I don't know what you're trying to do.
I told you
She requested an attorney because she knows her rights.
reason of the stop.
I know. You can give me a warning and
you don't tell me what I have to do with this traffic stop, okay?
Of course not.
I can give you a citation. I can give you a warning. I can give you a written warning.
Of course.
Okay?
You're the boss of this street. Absolutely.
Then zip it.
A bunch of people out for a tag light.
For your safety and my safety, that's why we have these officers here.
You
were going through your bag. I don't know what you have in your bag.
Papi,
when I'm trying to use my flashlight to have eyes on you, you have a problem with that.
Oh, of course I don't. I just can't see at night when you flash in my eye. That's it.
Where is that license that you are talking about?
I can go grab it.
Where is that license?
I don't want you to grab it. I can grab it. You have nothing to worry about. I'm just going to grab an ID for you. And my social security card. It's going to be in the same pocket that I found the other one.
Stand by. She doesn't have a middle name. They are asking for a social because your name is not returning.
I understand. I can give you my social. I don't have it memorized.
You don't know your social?
No.
Let's try this one more time. What's your real name?
That's my
I'm giving you a second chance.
I'm telling you the truth. That's my name.
So?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now you are under arrest, okay?
Why is that?
She gave me a fake name.
Oh, no kidding.
On the registration. I believe this is her. Look at this picture. I think that's her. Yeah, I found her. Expired DL gave me a fake name and has a unextraditable. This bag came out of the trunk, right? It says L374. Baggies, hidden gum package, and pills, weed in this bag. There was a hidden compartment in the driver's side.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Oh, more. Jesus.
Stop full of evidence.
We hit the jackpot, huh?
Contraband, illegal things, narcotics.
What narcotics?
A lot.
Right, stand up. Everybody's making everything up here, right? Yeah. Maybe don't give a fake name next time. You can turn around, just lean up against the car. Okay. You were.
See, and this is exactly what I mean. This is exactly what I'd be talking about. If all of her stuff, all of her ducks were in a row, they would have never been searching the vehicle, right? They pulled you over for a tag light out, simple ticket. License, registration, proof of insurance. Boom. By the time the officer pops up, here you go. Boom. Okay. They're gonna ask you some little bit of questions. You're not gonna answer it. They're gonna write the ticket. Boom. And you're on your way with all that stuff in the car. But with you being shady and questioning everything and yip yap and then giving false information, this is how it escalates.
And the front passenger seat. Obviously, you know what we found on the front passenger side. Okay, so there was a white rock located on where you were seated, and not only that, but a bunch of pills in the same area where you were.
Test right now. I'm in the consortium. I'm an offshore fisherman. There's a mahi on my leg.
So you don't have anything else. You don't have anything else to say to me right now.
Absolutely.
I'm just talking to you to see, you know, what can I do for you right now? Like, you need me more than I need you. I can just go to jail with you, and I'll be having breakfast by the end of the day. I don't know. I can't say that. This is your time, your chance to talk to me.
When he turned on his lights, was there anything said between Jay or
Nothing was said. Oh shit.
I was
shit,
looking
I
in
got
the
this
mirror.
bag.
She turned in here, and I was like...
It took a while. She didn't stop.
She was freaking out.
I was like, if I hopped in a car, I looked at the seat, I looked down on the floor, and if there's something there, I'm gonna be like, hey man, it could be an empty water bottle. Hey man, where do you want me to put this? And I looked at the bag with the rock. It's a pretty good sized rock. Like, it's not gonna go unnoticed. And then the bag of pills is also not gonna go unnoticed.
It's probably the 5th time I've ever seen her since I've lived there.
We're trying to understand the whole picture here, because how can you sit there and not see that? Obviously, it was in your area where you were seated, you know?
I was in the car.
You knew they were going to get a bag yet.
I did know that.
And you are not explaining yourself. You're not being completely honest with me. Again, I'm just putting this out there for you to start thinking and see what you want to do to help yourself.
So she could stay. And they said we pulled in. They walked to the door. There's portage on right there. I got out the piss. Got back in the car. She's seen, apparently you guys had somebody pulled over by Kmart or whatever. She went through the Kmart parking lot and back out, and that's...
I noticed that.
And then lights came on, and I'm just like, oh shit.
Man, your ass still going to jail, man. You don't work out a deal with the street cop. What the hell type of shit you on, man? What type of stuff you on, man? The cop's smooth though. I like the cop though. I like the cop. He's smooth. He said, listen, you need me a whole lot more than I need you right now. You know, I'm gonna still be having breakfast in the morning. You know, I don't know if I could say the same about you. Yeah, he hit him with that. You here you go, spilling the beans. Just Minnie Mouse. Just me. Like, come on, man. Man, you supposed to take this on the chin. When you get down there, if you do want to cooperate, if that's your decision, then you say, hey, I want to talk to the detective that's running this case, man. Because this is just the street cop.
I thought she was going right, and then she cut across.
How much you want to bet he go to jail?
The officer, when was searching the vehicle, they found narcotics in the area where you were seated, which you can be charged with. Is there anything that you want to talk to me about those narcotics?
I know of. I'm not aware about the narcotics.
You were not aware of anything?
I was not.
How do you know the driver?
She's my girlfriend.
For how long?
I gotta say about like 4 or 5 months.
So you have been in that car before?
Yes.
Tonight was not the first time?
No.
So you are aware of the narcotics in this vehicle?
No, never knew about that.
So you have been dating this woman for almost 5 months, and you have no idea that she is in possession. And in this vehicle, we have a lot of narcotics.
No clue. I have no idea about it.
Okay. All right. I was just trying to give you the opportunity to help yourself, but you're not willing to cooperate, so it is what it is. She's technically denying everything, which is pretty much that she's throwing you and him under the bus. Because
She's not gonna come over here and say it was all you guys.
she's already denying about everything, so that's why I was saying.
Yeah, because that's part of the problem. If she was just to say, you know, nah, it's me, you know, she would take the fall, you know, but the fact that she's playing, I don't know, everybody in the car is going to get jammed up.
And when we are going to the jail, so just so you know, if they find anything on you that I didn't, you'll be charged with that, okay?
Okay.
All right, watch your head.
There's nothing illegal there. And then that's it. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I know.
Told
The
you.
search revealed 80.4
Told you, Mighty Mouse was getting terminated, man, or not terminated. I told you he was getting He was getting jammed up too, man. I'm gonna just run past this a little bit, just so on the screen, just because, you know, if they say it, you know, YouTube get a little crazy, man. So they found all of this, and then $6,000 in cash. The vehicle was seized. She was charged with all of this. Cooked, man, cooked. Let's see, man. Bond set. Most serious charge dismissed.
July 2024, she ultimately pled guilty to the remaining drug felonies and no contest to the misdemeanors in 2024 to 2025, receiving probation with adjudication withheld, meaning no formal felony conviction was entered. As of January 2026, she has paid all court fees and filed a motion to terminate her probation early.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.